Different Like Cocoa by Elizabeth Matthews. The reason that this book is on the taller side is because it shows the skyline and the sky right here. When you have the Paris skyline or the sky and sun, you need to have a tall book or paper. They also show many people behind Coco, and to have that 3D effect, you need to have people higher up on the page. So this guy right here, sitting in the chair, is much higher than Coco, who is right here. During the time that Coco is going to the orphanage, the colors are very dark and plain. When she is finally successful, the colors are very bright and happy. The drawings are not very realistic, as you could see in the picture of the nuns and even the buildings. They're not very realistic, but they still represent the pictures and the mood and the setting very well. Her style of art is consistent throughout the book. It's not very realistic. It almost looks like sketches, as you can see in the hair, the floor, and the tables. It represents the setting and the mood very well. There is definitely a lot of three-dimensional scenes in this book. There are people and objects behind Coco on almost every page. There is also a lot of shadow used with all the people and objects. So there's a shadow underneath the boxes and underneath the people's dresses, and you could see the birds all the way back there, and Coco's all the way up here. So we are mostly looking from front in all the scenes. There aren't many close-ups. They're mostly just far away or middle distance. The three-dimensional effects are very good in this book because if you see when they're going all the way back here in this little chamber thing, it gets much darker and there's great use of shadow right there. Yeah. There are words on every single page, and there are a lot of them. There are like full paragraphs of words, but they aren't very hard words to read.